Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? How is your day today? Hope you are well and safe. Today I am going to teach you punctuation. Punctuation we have already learned in grade 1. What is punctuation? Punctuation help in reading and writing in English language. Today I will teach you these punctuations. What is this? It is question mark, it is exclamation mark, it is full stop, and it is comma. Okay. And what is the tone of question mark? When you will say? How you will say this? Do you know? And what is the tone of exclamation mark? I agree. And what is the tone of full stop? My name is full stop. And what is the tone of comma? Whenever you will use comma in sentence, you have to give pause. Okay, or you have to stop a little. Like, see the example. Yes, I break the thoughts in sentence. Okay, after yes, you have to stop a little. Okay, now see the uses of these punctuations. See. Here is full stop and the other name of full stop is period. Okay, full stop has two names. One is full stop and other is period. Okay, he says I am full stop or period. I am used at the end of a sentence. When you will use full stop, we will use full stop at the end of a sentence and sometimes between the abbreviations. Let's see some example. I am driving a car. After completing sentence, you will put full stop. She goes to shopping daily. Here is also full stop. USA is a short form or abbreviation of United States of America. Is the third biggest country in the world. You can use full stop after Mr., Mrs., Doctor. See what is this? It is question mark. What question mark is saying? I am question mark. I am used to ask questions. I am used to ask questions like, does anybody have any questions? Okay, it's mean we use question at the end of a sentence. Okay, but where there is a query, where there's asking something. Okay, then you will use question mark. Examples. Have you done your homework? क्या आपने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है? Would you like coffee or tea? क्या लेंगे आप? Coffee or tea? So see here, they are asking something now. So we will use question mark at the end of a sentence. And next sentence, what's up? क्या हो रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? It means. So here you will use question mark. Okay. See next. See what exclamation mark say? He said, I am exclamation mark. I am used to show strong feelings. For example, hurrah, we won the match. Okay, so hurrah what shows? That there is a feeling of joy or happiness. Okay. See strong feelings. What are strong feelings like? Surprise, anger, joy, sad. Okay, these emojis shows different feelings. Now first example, see, shut your mouth. Okay, so there is a order, there is a irritations and anger of someone. So he is saying loudly, shut your mouth in anger. And second one, alas, my cat is dead. So there is a grief or there is a sorrow because cat is dead. Okay, and the last word show there is something bad or something sad. Okay, see the next. See the next. I am going to visit my aunt. So there is happiness. Okay, joy. In this sentence there is a joy. In this sentence there is sad. And shut your mouth, there is anger. And next, how beautiful flower is this? There is a surprise. Okay, in this way you can use exclamation mark. See comma, I am a comma, I am used to make a pause between thoughts. For example, a lot of people, young and old, rich and poor, met him. So see, there are thoughts breaking. That's why we have used comma in two places. See the next example. I am also used to listing. When comma we will use for listing 2 or 3 things. For example, I like apples, bananas and orange. Okay, apple, bananas and orange, these are all fruits. Okay, items of one thing. So for separating 2 or 3 items we will use comma. Okay, so see the next sentence. I am also used after introductory words. What is introductory words? Introductory words like yes, no, sure, hello, well, etc. Okay. Now see example. Yes, I have done my work. Okay, see, it is an introductory word, so that's why we will use after introductory word comma. And comma we will use also before conjunctions and but. So these are conjunctions that joins two or more sentences, and before these conjunction we will use comma. For example, well, the work was good, but there were some mistakes. Well is introductory words, so that's why we will use comma after this, and before but, because but is a conjunction, so we will use comma before but. Okay, next, sure, I will do this. Okay, so sure is an introductory word, so we will use comma after sure. She likes pink, blue and white color. Okay, so how many colors she likes? Pink, blue and white. These are the items of one thing. So for separating these items we will use comma. Okay, but before the last item we will use and. See the next, I was not well, so I was not good. So is a conjunctions. So before so we will use comma. Okay, now I have designed one activity for you. See this activity, complete the table. It is a punctuation table and you have to fill these columns. One I have done, example of full stop, I love to eat cake. What I love to eat? Cake. In this sentence give information, so you will use full stop. Question, what are you cooking? Here is asking something, so you will use question mark. Help me, I am drowning. So there is a fear, so you will use exclamations. Okay, someone is drowning in river and he is shouting, so you will use exclamation here. Okay, in the same way you will write full stop sentence, question sentence, exclamation sentence. Okay, complete these two. Now the comma examples before conjunctions. I went market and bought some foodstuffs. Okay, you can see and is a conjunction, so we will use comma before conjunctions. And next is no, I will not go there. No is an introductory word, so you will use comma after no. And see, use to list things. I have pencil, eraser and sharpener in my box. Okay, so these are the items of one thing. Pencil, eraser and sharpener are the items of stationery. So we have to separate by commas. In the same way you have to write sentences in these columns. Okay, hope you will do well. Catch you later. Allah Hafiz.